Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are going to be reharmonizing gospel songs like a professional. All right, so like we all know what reharmonization is. When you know what it means to harmonize. If you don't know, check my beginners course. The link is in the description, and you know that okay. If you are harmonizing, when they say reharmonize, it means it's to flip it in different ways, right? Or try it in a different way. So now if you're on the key of we're on the key of E now. And I started playing to God be the glory. Right? So now to God be the God. So normally on a normal day, now before I even start, this was inspired by SMG. SMG started doing all of this stuff, and then I added my little things inside. Yeah, but you have right first. Now, on a normal day, you just do. Now this time around we are flipping it to play it like this. What is it that thing? What is that thing? What key am I going to do it? So I want to do it on the key of F sharp. I want to do it on F sharp rather. Okay, yeah, I got it. Let me go again. So yeah, so what I did was I reharmonized the complete song, and then when I got to He has done, I had the chance to He has done, so I can He has you get different things on this. So let me just break that down. First chord. So I'm playing a ditone on my left hand. You can see that. So this is like a C. Should I call it a C? It's more like an F sharp, flat 5. Then we also have a flat 7. So yeah, you have E flat major ditone, right? So now for your 5/4. So 5/4. So now instead of doing glory, I just did. Then you can do this. So the movement. So you can. So this brings you to. But now you can want to play rootless, right? So. So to God. So now this from here we can now move to F sharp and just do something. So it's just like doing a 6-2 on the key of F sharp. What is 6-2? 6-2. So then 6, then 2. You get? So 2. They can do so you can do yeah, that works too. You get? So that is one. Another way again you can do is to you get? So tritone. First one, second one, so now from here now to go. So now I did not like just read the melody. I just did a movement to the 6, which is like a 7 flat 5 6. You get? So on the key of F sharp one, sorry, I didn't specify that. On the key of F sharp, so 7 flat 5. So let's say flat 5, 7 flat 7, or you can say 7 3 6. Yeah. But now this 6 now is 7 on the key of E. So that's what you understand it now. So now melody is saying to God. So I can do you get it? Be the glory. F sharp dominant 7th. For the things. So I'm there for the things. You get? For the things you have done. From here now, you know that you can resolve to D, because this is the 5 on D. So you can move back, you can demodulate with that, or you rather stay. So so what I'm playing here, for the things, dominant 7 4, for the things, right? First one, second one, third one. Now most of all these things are in my intermediate course. If you have not gotten my intermediate course, you are missing out. So you see the thing about reharmonization, just you know, put down broken pieces together. Do you understand? So this is why you need to get my intermediate course. All right, you put down broken pieces together, and now I have one note. You need to now, like I said, I told people a lot of people about reharmonization. I have one note. Now what do I have to do to reharmonize this note? I find out how is this note related to every key. Now do you see that when I got here, I was able to tell you that from here now, I can move to D. So see it right. From here now, I can move to E. Do you get? From here, I can even move to G. Plenty things. So you can see that one note can just take you to so many places, but you need to first know how is this note related to every part of the body that I want to go to, and how can I put it together in one piece. Now that makes sense. Do you understand? So I think that will be all for this particular lesson. We're going to still be reharmonizing other songs. You guys, also shout out to Jurex Joe. Today is his birthday, and I want you guys to celebrate him. Drop a comment. You all know who Jurex is, right? Role of an Ox player. You know that one. Ox Diary, right? So make sure you shout out to my boss. Happy birthday, sir. God bless you. Also, my song dropped today. For those of you that have listened to that song, you know. I don't need to talk too much. So my song dropped today, and I want you guys to head to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and stream. All right, add the song to your playlist. Trust me, this one is different. This one is special to me. All right, and I need you guys to go stream and be blessed. Okay, so see you guys in our next lesson. And also, we are still bringing back the power series. We still have other powers. Please touch. I want you guys to also drop comments on more powers that we haven't touched yet, so we can look into that. All right. God bless you guys.